Chinese flag history. The flag of the People's Republic of China, also known as the five-star red flag, is a symbol of Chinese communism, unity, and national identity. The current design of the flag was adopted on September 27, 1949, shortly after the founding of the People's Republic of China. The flag features a bright red background with 5 yellow stars arranged in a horizontal arc, with one larger star in the upper left corner and 4 smaller stars to the right of it. The design of the flag has several symbolic meanings. The red color represents the Communist Revolution and the blood of the Chinese people who fought for their independence. The larger star represents the Communist Party of China, while the 4 smaller stars represent the 4 social classes of Chinese society: the working class, the peasantry, the urban bourgeoisie, and the national bourgeoisie. The design of the flag has remained unchanged since its adoption in 1949, although the size and position of the stars have been modified. Symbol of Chinese national identity and is flown on many national holidays and events. In addition to its use as a national flag, the Chinese flag is also used to represent China at international events, such as the Olympic Games and the United Nations. The simple and bold design of the flag reflects China's tradition of minimalist design and modernity, and the flag is widely recognized as one of the most iconic flags in the world. The Chinese flag has a rich history dating back over 2,000 years. Here are 10 of the best things that make up its story. The flag features a large, 5-pointed star surrounded by 4 smaller stars on a red background. The red symbolizes the Chinese Communist Party, which has governed China since 1949. The design of the flag was adopted by the Communist Party of China in 1949, after it took control of the country following a long civil war. The large star on the flag represents the Communist Party of China, while the 4 smaller stars represent the 4 social classes in China. The flag has undergone several design changes over the years, including the addition of a hammer and sickle in the early years of communist rule. The colors of the flag, red and yellow, have a long history in Chinese culture, and have been associated with good luck and prosperity for centuries. The flag has been flown in many significant historical events, including the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949 and the opening ceremonies of the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing. The flag is a powerful symbol of Chinese identity and patriotism, and is widely recognized and respected around the world. In recent years, the flag has been the subject of controversy, particularly in Hong Kong and Taiwan, where some see it as a symbol of Chinese repression and authoritarianism. Despite these controversies, the Chinese flag remains an important and enduring symbol of China and its people, and is a source of pride for many Chinese. The Chinese flag is also a reminder of the country's long and complex history, which has seen it rise and fall many times over the centuries, but which has always remained a powerful and influential force in the world.